guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set live wallpaper on TikTok. Click your profile on the lower right hand side, then click the three lines in the upper right hand side and go to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you'll find wallpapers, and here you can easily go ahead and find wallpapers. So here you'll find a bunch of different videos that you can basically find. So let's say I want to choose something here with the earth. I can go ahead and I can tap on this, and guess what, this is a picture that I can basically use. Now, in order to know how you can set those live wallpapers, just go ahead and click and find out how to set those wallpapers, and here you'll be able to see basically you need to find it. So it says tap on the TikTok video and you will have this option here, and simple tap on the video that says set as wallpaper. So you can set the video's wallpaper, or you can easily set those wallpapers. So let's go ahead and try that out. So if you're on TikTok, let's say you're scrolling through and you find something that you want to set as a live wallpaper. Let's go ahead and find, whatever, right? So I'm going to choose, let's say this as an example, right? I want to set that as a live wallpaper. Click this arrow and you want to look for the option that says set as live wallpaper, and here you have it. Here guys, you tap on that and it's downloaded, and you can just simply tap the button now that says set as a wallpaper. So if I tap on that, you will see that it's now set as a wallpaper. You can also preview it, and now it's there. I can click on it and I can set this now, and here it says at home. I go ahead and do that, and here you can see this live wallpaper. And here you can see on my phone now guys that I set the video from TikTok as a live wallpaper, and that's really amazing, right? So that's it guys, that's how to go ahead and set a video from TikTok on your phone as a live wallpaper. Very easy and very simple.